Did you know that some vegetables can help lower your blood sugar naturally? If you're managing diabetes or just want to keep your blood sugar in check, this video will give you 7 powerful veggies you should definitely know about. Stick around, number 3 might surprise you. And if you're looking for an extra boost, check out the link in the description for a supplement that supports healthy blood sugar and weight loss. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about why vegetables are your secret weapon against high blood sugar. Vegetables are low in calories and carbs, but packed with nutrients. Fiber in veggies slows down sugar absorption into the blood. They're loaded with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Choosing the right veggies can make managing blood sugar easier and tastier. Now let's get to the good stuff. 7 vegetables you'll want to add to your plate. Each one works differently, so let's see how they help. First up, broccoli. It's rich in sulforaphane, which can lower blood sugar levels, plus it's high in fiber to prevent spikes after meals. You can enjoy it steamed, roasted, or in stir-fry dishes. Next, spinach. Low in carbs and calories, but high in magnesium, which helps with insulin sensitivity. It adds fiber and nutrients to smoothies, salads, or soups. It tastes mild and blends easily with other foods. Then we have bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon. It contains natural compounds that act like insulin to reduce blood sugar. It's commonly used in traditional medicine for diabetes. Juice it, saute it, or add it to stews. Yes, it's bitter, but worth it. Asparagus is another great option. It helps improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Packed with antioxidants and nutrients, it's delicious grilled or baked. Simple and healthy, cauliflower is a low-carb powerhouse that replaces high-carb foods like rice or potatoes. It contains fiber and compounds to support blood sugar control. Use it as cauliflower rice, mashed or roasted. Bell peppers are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can lower inflammation and stabilize blood sugar. They're low-calorie and naturally sweet without causing sugar spikes. Crunchy, colorful, and versatile in salads, stir-fries, or raw snacks. Lastly, zucchini. Very low in carbs and high in fiber, making it blood sugar friendly. It helps keep you full without spiking glucose levels. Spiralize it into zoodles for a healthy pasta swap or saute with olive oil. Okay, now you know the veggies, but how do you actually make them part of your daily meals? Start your meals with a plate of non-starchy vegetables. Try roasting, steaming, or stir-frying to bring out the flavor. Mix these veggies into soups, salads, or smoothies for variety. Swap carbs like rice or pasta with low-carb veggie alternatives. Now you know the top 7 vegetables that can help you naturally manage blood sugar. These are easy to find, delicious, and perfect for building healthier meals. Start adding these to your plate today, and you'll see how small changes can make a big difference. If you're looking for an extra boost to support healthy blood sugar levels and weight loss, check out Glucose 6 using the link in the description below. Glucose 6 has a unique blend of 6 powerful ingredients backed by clinical research to help you feel your best. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments which of these veggies is your favorite.